there, it's Steve with another 3-minute guitar lesson. Hope you're just, doing great today. This is the Killers, When You Were Young, in under 3 minutes. And to show that I got the shortest intros on YouTube, I'm just gonna get right to it. Put your capo on the 4th fret and play a C major shape. And you do this sort of driving rhythm like this, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ready? 1, to D major, to E minor, G major, and back to C. So it goes like this, ready? 1, D, E minor, G, to C. And it pretty much does these 4 chords the whole time. And to mix it up, in the verse, do a little palm muting like this. And also, I go to the E minor a little bit early on one of them. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And on the 4 note, you sort of hit it a little bit early and wait a second. So check this out. Big strum on the G to sort of explode into that. And then, as it goes into the, when you were young and the verses, the chorus and all that, you can fully strum and get the rockin' tones right there. And then when it goes, it really does the whole thing. Same chords the whole time, verse, chorus, then it goes when, sometimes you close your eyes, so that's C major to D to E minor to G, same chords. You see the place where you used to live, where you were young, And so then in the middle, there's this little bridge when it goes A minor. So that's the first time we got a new chord here, to A minor, to E minor, to G, this is, G, and then to D. So it goes to D right there in the bridge, and then you hear this sort of like that. So rocking again, it just starts all over again with the C, D, E minor, G, like this. So what do you think? This is, pretty easy way to play it with this capo up here. Technically, to get that sort of, low, awesome notes, you'd be playing it a little bit further down, but there's harder chords involved right there, so that's why I did this one. So check the description for all the chord notes and hang out here, like and subscribe for more 3-minute guitar lessons. See ya.